Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do this like pinkish purplish look. My name is Daisy. For those who are new, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to be friends, and I hope you guys really enjoy watching this video. The first palette that I'm going to be using is the Jacklyn Hill X Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this shade and pack it all over my eyelid. Using a Morphe brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that shade out. Then I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty and use this shade to blend both of them together. I will then use a clean shade from the Huda Beauty and put it on my eyebrow to clean up the eyebrow. Next, I went in with a makeup remover wipe to clean up the eyeshadow. If you have tape, you can also use that. I will be using these lashes. These are from the brand Kiss, and these are in garters. Go ahead and put them on and I'll be right back. For primer, I will go ahead and be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. For foundation, I use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab. Now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. And put some on my nose, chin, forehead. And then also I'm gonna put some on my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to set my face with this one right here. For bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and I'm just going to use this side brush right here. Just using a brush like this, I'm going to go back into this color right here. Then I'm going to go back into this color right here. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is in Paaarty by Tarte. Using this brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blush. I'm also gonna go ahead and contour my nose using this same bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and bake the sides of my nose. I'm not gonna let that set for that long, so I'm already gonna go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna remove the foundation that I have on my lip. So to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the MAC Fix Plus. For highlight on the inner corner, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here. Now for highlight on my cheeks, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two right here. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use this lipstick. This is from EM Cosmetics. To top it off, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this lip gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a huge like if you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.